Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, upgraded mission computer for LCA Tejas. In a significant development for India's indigenous fighter jet program, the LCA Tejas MK1A has been outfitted with a state-of-the-art mission computer, marking a milestone in the country's defense aviation sector. Prominent defense reporter Anantha Krishnan M has reported that the LCA Tejas SP equipped with the LCA MK1A mission computer is scheduled for its maiden flight next week, signaling a leap forward in India's technological prowess in the field of avionics. Next, replacement of AN-32 and IL-76 transporters. The Indian Air Force is taking decisive steps to modernize its transport fleet, with Chief of the Air Staff Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary confirming plans for replacing aging aircraft like AN-32 and IL-76. Next, bigger cargo drones for challenging terrain. The Indian Army is soaring into the future of logistics with the induction of powerful cargo drones, revolutionizing the way supplies reach troops in even the most challenging terrain. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are not just toys but capable workhorses, lifting payloads ranging from 20 kg to 100 kg, significantly easing the burden on traditional transport method. Next, new defense development projects unveiled. In a bid to bolster India's self-reliance, the Indian Navy and the DRDO conducted their annual Apex level meeting 2024 on today's date, co-chaired by DRDO Chairman Dr. Sameer V. Kamath and Indian Navy Chief Vice Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi. The meeting served as a platform for in-depth discussions on collaborative development projects aimed at equipping the Indian Navy with cutting-edge indigenous technologies. Next, Indian submarine in Colombo ahead of Sri Lanka's Independence Day celebration. INS Karanj, an Indian Navy submarine, arrived in the port of Colombo on Thursday ahead of Sri Lanka's 76th Independence Day celebrations on Sunday. On a 2-day visit, the submarine was welcomed by the Sri Lanka Navy. INS Karanj is 67.5 meters long with a crew of 53 under the commanding of Commander Arunabh, the Sri Lanka Navy said. Next, BP Tug Boat Mahabali delivered to Indian Navy. BP is Bollard Pull, that is 25T Bollard Pull tug. Mahabali has been delivered to Indian Navy on 2nd Feb in the presence of Rear Admiral Subir Mukherjee, NM ASY Kochi. This tug is a proud flag bearer of Make in India initiative of Government of India. Contract for construction and delivery of 3 25T BP tug was concluded with Messrs. Shoft Shipyard Private Limited and MSME in consonance with Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next, expansion of flight refueling fleet. The Indian Air Force is looking to significantly expand its fleet of flight refueling aircraft to enhance the operational range and flexibility of its fighter jets. This move comes amidst a focus on bolstering India's air power capabilities, particularly in light of potential two-front scenarios. Next, pre-flight trials of upgraded Tejas MK1A fighter jets. The IAF is taking a major step forward in the indigenous fighter jet program with the first upgraded Tejas MK1A aircraft nearing its maiden flight scheduled for later this month. The jet boasts a range of improvements including a new mission computer, smart multi-function displays, that is MFDs, and active electronically scanned array radar, and an advanced electric warfare suite. Thank you.